some picking. Monroe County's over by Lake Erie, for those of you that are wondering. And I think it's also General Custer's old stomping ground. So we're going to hit up a couple junkyards and see what they have for stuff that we can resell. So stick with us. different junkyards and scored on some tractor parts and some lawnmower parts. And we'll be going over that here in a little bit, our finds, and hope you guys enjoyed watching the different scenery at the junkyard. I thought there was some pretty cool stuff you guys might enjoy. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hey YouTube, you could see that we got quite a load of parts here. We got some Oliver parts, Cub Cadet, Craftsman, Alice Chalmers lawnmower parts, some old Sears lawnmowers, and we also managed to pick up an Alice, well, I think it would fit Alice Chalmers, but a Simplicity rototiller rear mount. So, yep, some really cool finds. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys' support. If you guys got any cool comments, let me know. Thank you.